Good morning everyone! I'm Debbie Bautista of Team Will Blanza Realty TV. Andito kami ulit ngayon sa Mint Residences to discuss why you should invest in Mint Residences and bibigyan din namin ng updates yung aming mga clients and soon to be the investors of Mint Residences.
Bob here. I think you'll remember me for the most viewed real estate selling condominiums and videos under Will Blanza Realty TV. So today we'll also give you about the construction update of Mint Residences and its places of interest.
Kaya ano pang inaantay natin?
Tara, samahan nyo kami at alamin natin why Makati remains the best place to live and invest in.
SMDC breaks new ground with Mint Residences. It is a nature-inspired high-rise condominium located in Chino Roses in Makati City. Soon to be the home of hardworking professionals seeking to strike a balance between their goals and overall well-being.
Construction of Mint Residences has officially launched last year, 2021. As of last month, January 12, 2022, it's already in the 17.7% of the construction and it's in podium parking. As of today, February 2022, it's already in the pool area and the function area and expected to give us a breath of new life of dynamic in Chino Roses, Makati by 2026.
Chino Roses is the new gateway in Makati City, as this is proximate to the major highways and arterial roads. The key destination is less than 11 minutes away. The zonal plan of Makati City will expand the central business district to the other promising location, and that's include Chino Roses.
Alam nyo ba na 1 minute away lang ang Mint Residences sa Magallanes MRT Station for 290 meters? Tapos operational na sa 2024 ang North to South Commuter Railway na nagko-connect sa lahat ng mga trains na existing. Tapos nag-rehabilitate pa yung MRT nung last year. Tapos ano nga ba yung mga points of interest sa Mint Residences? Alam nyo naman, di ba, kahit malapit lang siya sa hypermarket, may commercial strip sa baba, walking distance sa Walter Mart, pero 4 minutes away lang siya sa SM Makati, Glorieta, and Greenbelt. And if familiar kayo sa Central Business District in Makati, 6 minutes away lang siya from there. Hindi lang yun. If familiar kayo sa SM Ora, yung katabi nun, High Street, Serendra, and Market, 11 minutes away siya from there. Tapos, 11 minutes away lang din siya sa Ortigas Central Business District kung saan ang Mega Mall. Tapos, if familiar kayo sa Future Development of Asia kung saan yung Pasay's Bay Area, 6.5 kilometers away lang din siya doon. So, ang dami talagang points of interest sa Mint Residences.
Makati Subway. This public rail transportation is located in Makati City. It composed of 10 stations. It begins near the intersection of Ayala Avenue and EDSA, towards Paseo de Rojas, Metropolitan Avenue, and JP Rizal Avenue. The unit with a size ranging from 19 to 59 square meters are laid out for the best use of space, with ample room for storage para mabawasan ng energy consumption and to lower the living cost. Livable spaces always welcome natural light and ventilation.
And did you know, here in Mint Residences, the 1-bedroom corner, 1-bedroom deluxe with balcony, and studio units are almost sold out. Mabuti na lamang at as low as 12,000 per month ang 1-bedroom with balcony.
Kaya ano pang inaantay nyo? Invest now!
We're glad to assist you on this investment. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo at may natutunan dito sa aming video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Sana po ay ma-assist namin kayo at makapag-present kami ng online sa inyo. I'm Povie Joaquin
And I am Debbie Bautista
of Real Danza Realty TV.